Ang galing-galing ko talaga, nakamute ako. Yeah! Ang galing-galing ko. Kaya pala, galing-galing. Nakamute tayo, guys. Woohoo! Amazing. Kakaiba talaga. Streamer issues. Pero yeah, again, welcome to Mamma Mia Plays. My name is Mamma Mia and we're playing day 11 onwards of Coffee Talk. Please, last na to. Last na timeline. Third timeline, by the way. Okay. Good evening, Mr. Baileys. Evening. Am I the first customer tonight? You are. That's new. And pasensya na po sa mga drop frames kasi holiday, nakikisama yung internet. Freya's not here. She said she's coming later tonight. Got something to do with meeting some fellow writer friends. Why not do it here? Ay, nga pala guys, kung titingnan nyo, meron tayong mga bagong redeemables. Hindi ko lang alam kung gumagana, pero may mga bago tayong redeemables. Nilagay ko siya kagabi in preparation for Mamma Mia, Balitang Ina News on Saturday. And medyo nagpe-prepare na rin ako doon sa banyo stream. And nga pala, no, by the way, magsa-start tayo ng stream natin next week. Kasi Saturday, I will stream Balitang Ina News. Tapos we're gonna proceed. Sorry, titignan ko yung calendar ko. We're gonna proceed on Tuesday. And it's my birthday! Yay! So next Tuesday is literally my birthday. So hindi ko alam kung anong magandang pag-usapan sa birthday ko. Ituloy na ba natin yung banyo serye natin? Am I the asshole stream? Pagpestahan natin or something? Or maybe I could think about something sa weekend. I don't know. Give me some ideas, guys, kung anong gusto nyong content na pwede natin gawin on Tuesday bago ako mag-start ng bagong game. And I think para lang mabawasan yung aking pagkasuya sa visual novel kasi bala ko talaga ituloy yung episode 2 ng Coffee Talk, but para lang maiba lang. Magkaroon lang ako ng fresh or magkaroon lang tayo ng refreshing. Magkaroon lang tayo ng panibagong taste. Tikim muna tayo ng ibang putahe and pag-iisipan ko pa kung anong game yon. Pero malamang babalik tayo sa roots ni Mamma Mia Plays. So, yan. So, yun lang. Help me decide kung anong pwede natin gawin on the 26th, sa Tuesday next week. Kasi it's my birthday. O, tuloy na natin to para matapos na. My God. Just not as much as her. Writers gathering, huh? I wonder what writers talk about when they're hanging out. I've known them for some years now. She has this habit, if she said they're friends, it means they're just hanging out normally. Oh no, nagda-drop yung frames ko. La 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 la. But if she says they're writer friends, ay auto na lang natin to. Para hindi na ako pindot ng pindot. Naku, nagda-drop na naman ng frames ko. Madi-disconnect ba tayo today? You're probably thinking about work. Tsaka pala guys, nilakihan ko yung font ng ating chat kasi medyo nahirapan din akong basahin siya. And kapag kinwrap natin siya for social media purposes, minsan pixelated na yung itsura nung font and nung text. So, nilakihan natin yung ating font size. Tsaka yung pangalan. So that para kitang-kita kung sino yung mga nambubwisit sa atin sa stream. Kitang-kita yung mga makukulit at mga pasaway. Ala, nagda-drop talaga yung frames ko. Because sometimes what people want is not what they need. That's deeper than I would have thought. So, what are you reading from me now? I won't say. Why? That would break the charm. Ha, the hell was that? I guess I can say this much. Whatever I say or do to our customers is always related to what I'm getting from their body language, including our interaction now. Including our interaction now. Man, now I see why you didn't want to share. Even that was enough to make me feel like I'm naked in front of you. By the way, I haven't ordered anything. What are you having tonight? Hot chocolate. Mga bagay na hindi nating ibibigay with ginger and cinnamon. Hot chocolate. I heard that's a good for a bitter heart. Bibigyan kita na something bitter. Bigyan kita na espresso. Magagalit na naman sila sa akin. That's for sure. Hmm. It's like you didn't even try. Excuse me? Forget it. Say, Mamma Mia, tell me about yourself. What do you want to know? Anything. How old are you? Old enough to open a coffee shop? Ha! Oh man. Bless you, Morchan. But that's the only answer I can give. Now you're making me wonder. What should I ask next? Ayan na si Freya. Hello, everyone. Why are you both looking at me like that? Freya, you look horrible. No, I don't. Yeah, you do. No, I don't. Unfortunately, I have to echo our dear barista. Yeah, you do. What happened? You'd better be asking. Better asking what didn't happen, because the answer would be proper sleep and decent progress on my draft. You need to rest and miss my deadline. Hell no. Sorry, Baileys. I won't be able to keep you company because I have to finish this thing. And for that, I'll need a whole lot of espresso. Are you sure about that? You really should just rest. Get something to help you sleep. Espresso, please. Hindi natin siya bibigyan ng espresso. Bigyan na lang natin siya ng tsaa or something. Green tea, green tea, green tea. Bitter! Green tea. Here you go. What the hell, dude? This is even coffee. Drink. I'm sorry, Mari. This isn't what. Drink. Okay. It's on the house. It better be. Uh, how was the meeting? It was pretty good. I got a lot of advice. But that also means, and not a small number of them, mind you, need to be rewritten. Oh, oh, it's not that bad. Rewriting is part of the process. It's just, uh, I'm going to my usual corner, although, thanks for your drink, I'm not sure whether I'll be able to stay awake or not. Heh. She looks horrible. She does. But don't worry about her, she'll finish it. This isn't the first time she acted like this. No, but this time the stakes are pretty high. Hmm. Hmm. So, what brings you here today? I'm not even sure myself. I had no plan tonight, and this place just came to mind out of the blue. I'll have I'll have to thank your subconscious. Then, I guess you should. Ayan na si Lua. Lua. Not sure whether I should thank it or not though. Hi Lua. Hi Baileys. How, di Carabao. Batuten. You first. No, you first. I was just going to ask, how are you doing? I'm fine, thanks. How about you? I'm good, yeah. Oh, hmm. I think I need to order something first. Oh, of course, of course. Go ahead. Hi, Mama Mia. What are you having this evening, Miss Lua? Gingerbread coffee, please. Not a chance. So magagalit na naman sila, pero parang wala talaga siyang change. Walang change. I'm sorry, but this is not what I ordered. Sorry? It's a good coffee though. Parang lagi nila akong napapatawad. Ganun ba ako kabait? You? I'm not taking any new jobs on at the moment. Cause, well, yeah, I get it. You have enough in your savings, right? That's a very Lua thing to ask. But yeah, I do. Thanks to the last annoying job. It went well in the end. Kinda did. They paid me on time at least. And the pay was amazing. How long are you planning to take a break for? I don't know. Until my problems are settled, I guess. What was the problem? What problems are those? I'll tell you this, but don't tell anyone, okay? Not even Mamma Mia, who's standing in front of us. Not even Mamma Mia. Okay. So there's this girl. I love her. We've been going out for a few years, but I'm not really sure where we stand now. How can you not be sure? We had an argument. We had an argument about a week ago. It wasn't anything new, but somehow things escalated uncontrollably. Why is that? I assume both of us were just tired, knowing that we're fighting against centuries of tradition. We haven't really talked since our last fight. Leaving things unresolved is not a good idea. But I can't bring myself to start conversation. Why? I'm not sure about that. Pride? Maybe, wait lang. Wala ah. I'm just going to type something. Isipin ko sa aking, ah, so, type ko sa chat is any content ideas for Tuesday stream. Because it's leveling up. It's time to level up. Oops. Yun. Excuse me po. Anyway. Oh. Nakapin. Nakapin. Ah. Or knowing that chances are we won't be able to find the best solutions for everyone anyway. Magbe-break kaya sila dito or parang kasi parang feeling ko hindi, parang magsasama pa rin sila. Kahit mali-mali yung orders na binigay ko sa kanila, ay mali-mali yung drinks. Kasi parang lagi nila ako napapatawad. Ah, you gotta do what you gotta do. He must be a pretty cool guy. He is. Magkakatuluyan kaya sila. What's next for us, Baileys? I don't know, Lua. I met some new people this week, including that supermodel. You knew? That girl in the corner told me. Yeah, including that supermodel. How does that make you feel? Like a fool. What? Said a lot of things that I've been trying to avoid thinking about, a lot of truths. He's a bit like you, attitude wise. You'd get along with him. Doubt it. Opposites attract, but similarity breeds contempt. Ever heard that before? A lot. From a certain hipster elf. After listening to that guy, what's your stance on, you know, us? Hello! I'm not sure, Baileys. What about you yourself? Had any similar experiences this week? I have, in fact. You met a vampire, and I met a werewolf. Heh. What are the odds? What are the odds indeed? What did your werewolf say? Hmm, not much, to be honest. But he made a good point about the importance of family. Baileys. I know I've been stubborn about you wanting me to take peace with my family, and I know why that's very important for you. But Freya said something that kinda hit me hard. What was it? I was just using you for as an excuse to escape my family, but I actually wanted to do that anyway for myself. You know me, Baileys. I do. And you know how I feel uncomfortable people leaving their families, which makes me an asshole, I guess. I get why you think that way, Lua. Blood is thicker than water. What should we do now, Lua? Yes, Baileys. Please let me leave my family. I'll try to get your family to accept me. That sounds like the easier thing to do after all. But you lose your immortality. You'll be an outcast among other elves. An outcast from a bunch of overly pretentious people? Sounds great. You'll live a long time. But you won't have the perfect health and perfect life. That's the elven privilege. But it's not a perfect life without you. Kinilig. What if our relationship doesn't last? You'll have lost everything. You'll blame me. Lua, I will never blame you for anything. If we're talking about who I used to be, that guy would never have blamed himself. 100 reasons for why something failed, but never anything to do with him. But that won't happen with us. You know why? Because I've learned so many things by being with you for 10 years. It made me a better person. So, you don't need to worry about any of that. Because right now, you're the most important part of my life. I don't need an immortal life. Because without you, it won't be a life worth living. Baileys. I... So magkikiss na naman sila. I should have... Bago! Bago! I should... Bago to! Hey! I should... Opo. Anong knock? I should have seen this coming before we started dating. I learned so many things this past week. And one of them is... relationships require compromise. Guys, eto na! This is it! We can't have it all. And I've been thinking about it so much. I don't think I'm ready. Why? We might have been dating for 10 years, but we're only at the tip of what you might call a relationship. I can't imagine what the rest would be like. Don't say that. I'm sure we can work it out. Is that what you believe? Look me right in the eyes and say what you just said. I. It's alright. Being with you was fantastic, Baileys. But I guess that's it. I hope you can find someone who can make you happy. Goodbye. Oh my God! Nag-break sila! Nag-break sila! May effect! May effect! Ito na! My God! That made me happy. Sorry. Sorry. Aren't you going after her, Baileys? Huh? What for? I should stop lying to myself. It's a losing battle. Ooh. Hey, Yellow! Welcome to the stream! Kamusta? Haru-haru! Good morning! Ay, good afternoon. Okay, so meron tayong progress, merong bagong dialogue, at nag-break tong dalawang to. I have to thank you for being a good listener, though. I hate to say this, but considering this place is where me and Lua broke up, I might never visit here again, until God knows when. Take your time to heal. So nag-break sila! And once you're ready, This place will be here for you. Oy, nagdadrop yung frames ko. No! No! Don't do this to me, Converge. You really are something. Too bad. I like this place a lot. Well, I guess I'll be off. If fate allows, we'll meet again, Mamma Mia. Goodbye, Baileys. Oh my God, okay. Meron na tayong one down. Isang relationship down, guys. Nag-break sila! Ah! Amazing! That was pretty intense. Oh, you're back in the real world? I just pretend not to notice. They're like one of the main reasons why I'm writing this story. So I have to see their struggle through until the end. It's important for the writing, you know. That's cold. What? It's not like that. It's just that. Yeah, that was cold. I'm sorry. You look better than before, though. For now. I can't tell you how I feel until it's done. And I don't. Oh my God. Ito pa. So, nag-break yung dalawang magjowa. Tapos, eto may werewolf na. Ayan na, ayan na. Tapos, hindi natin ibibigay yung remedy. Anong mangyayari? Ito na. Oh my God. I should have skipped to this day. Okay. So, we will not give him the remedy. I don't know what will happen. Okay? So, domino effect na ata to. Let's go! Let's go, let's go! Ala, exciting. Oh, exciting. This wolf, is that him? I think so. Welcome, sir. Are you crazy? You can't treat a werewolf in a fury like a normal customer. Trust me, he must have his reasons for coming here. I'm sorry, I will have to fail you, Gala. Do you need anything? Something to calm you down, maybe? I am so sorry, Gala. I cannot give you what you want. Give me what you want, what you really, really want. Give me what you want, what you really, really want. I wanna ha, I wanna ha. No, I'm so sorry. Pero kailangan ko makita kung ano mangyayari sa'yo. I will not give you what you want, what you really, really want. Binigay ko yung coffee. Ay, ininom niya yung coffee. Ala, lalo siya nagwala. Oh, lalo siya nagwala. Ay, umalis na siya. So, hindi siya kumalma. Hindi siya kumalma. Hindi siya kumalma. What the hell? Ala, ano pala nangyari nung binigay mo yung remedy? Bakit hindi mo ibibigay this time? Ang goal kasi natin this timeline, tong third timeline, is gusto ko makita yung mga bad endings nila. So, hindi natin ibibigay yung mga gusto nilang drink or requested drinks nila for me to achieve a bad ending. Kasi tatlo yung endings nitong game. Main game ending, which is a good ending or bad ending, depende. Tapos merong true ending, tsaka merong good or bad. So, na-achieve ko yung good. Na-achieve ko yung true ending. So, hindi ko pa na-achieve yung bad ending. Oo. So, parang magkaroon lang ng closure at nakita natin lahat ng ending nitong game. I think, to close up the shop early. Don't want to cause any more ruckus. And I need to clean up some of the mess anyway. Good idea. Can you get back all right by yourself? I'll manage. Take care on your way back. You'll be careful too. See you tomorrow. See you. Okay. So, yun yung premise ng third timeline natin. Was to achieve a bad ending. Completionist. Hindi, gusto ko lang talaga makita. Curious lang talaga ako. Isa sa curious case of Mamma Mia Place kasi parang lahat naman na nadaanan kong ending, which is dalawang ending is good ending. Meron yung true ending. So, gusto ko rin makita ko ano ba yung bad ending nila. So, may nakita na akong isa. May isang relationship na hindi nagkabalikan. Yung magshota, si Baileys tsaka si Lua, nag-break na sila sa timeline na to. Nag-break sila. So, yung sumunod naman, yung werewolf, anong mangyayari sa kanya? Kasi parang domino effect. Anong mangyayari sa kanya na hindi ko siya binigyan ng remedy? So, malalaman natin sa day na to Nakakakita na tayo ng results kasi lahat sila binabad trip ko. Mali-mali yung binibigay kong order. Binabad trip ko sila. At least, 'di ba, meron tayong nakikitang something new, I guess. Pero it was hard for me. Not gonna lie, it was hard for me to give them the wrong drinks. Kasi parang a part of me, gusto ko talagang, alam mo yun, parang, ito binigay mo, people pleaser ba? Ganun ba ang ugali ng people pleaser? Medyo nilalabanan ko yung aking, ayan na, ayan na. Ay, hindi. Ayan. Welcome. Ayan na si Freya. So, kailangan, makikita natin ngayong stream kasi tatapusin ko na talaga ngayong Tuesday itong story natin. What did I do? I finally got a good night's sleep last night. Like, I slept like a log. A proper 12 hours of closing my eyes and not thinking about anything? Good for you. You really needed that. I know. But I had a deadline coming. And I've been pushing myself to finish the draft. A bit too much, I guess. So parang ito na yung parang inaabangan natin na closure. Kasi nakakakita na tayo ng results. My God. Nag-break talaga sila. My God, hindi ko nakala. Pero I was expecting it. Kasi I was lowering my expectations kasi the flow of the conversation all throughout the days na nilalaro ko tong third timeline, parang walang nangyayari. Babad trip lang sila sa akin kasi mali yung drinks. Pero parang walang nangyayari sa story nila. Pero I was wrong. Parang tanga lang, kinikilig. Kinikilig kasi went down south ang kanilang stories. Pero the thing is, meron tayong nakikitang progress, meron tayong nakikitang bago sa nila. Sa kanilang kwento. I'm planning to go to the bathroom and wash my face, and after that, I'll continue writing. Sounds like a solid plan. You know where the restroom is. Ano kaya meron dito kay Freya? Ano kayang bad ending niya? As a writer, ha? Kasi natanggal na siya sa work eh. Okay, I need something to drink now. Freya, you're unemployed. Don't waste your money on coffee shop drinks. That is so weird. Coming from the coffee shop owner, I know. You've been a regular for years. If you only need the vibes of the place, just right here. No, I can't do that. You don't have any customers tonight. What would I do if this place went bankrupt? That won't happen. How can you be so sure? Just take this tap water and go do your work, okay? But, ayan na. See, there's a customer coming right now. So don't you worry about me. Sino to? What the? Okay, eto na. May isa pang titingnan natin. Rachel, what's going on? Huh, what else? Your father? Of course. What the hell was it? Ay, yellow, meron tayong bagong redeemables. If you just gonna check. Parang free ata. Free ata yung redeemables or may channel points. I forgot. Sorry. Inayos ko kasi siya kagabi pero hindi ko kasi siya ma-redeem sa sarili ko. So if you guys want to try it out, let's see kung gumagana siya. Please do so. Thank you. Mamma Mia cafe latte, please. Not a chance, dude. Tea. You don't want it? So, you wanted to ask something, Freya. Ayan, mali yung order natin. Ayaw niya. How did he manage to get backstage? Ay, tas pala, teka lang. Mag-shoutout lang pala muna ako. Tingnan natin kung gumagana yung shoutout na ginawa ko kagabi. Pokeball attack. Parang hindi ata yan yung tinutukoy ko. Alam mo, papalitan ko na yan. Tingnan natin kung gumagana yung shoutout. Sandali lang, yellow Parang wala atang Pokeball attack. Saan ko ba pwedeng tanggalin yan? Ay na yung bra, wala din. Bruh. Bakit wala? Bakit wala? Teka lang. Bakit wala yung ni Yellow? Wala yung shout out niya. Ay, putya ka. I think ata yung mga Tatanggalin ko ata, sandali lang. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga tatanggalin ko dyan. So, kung paano matatanggal yung viewer attack? Isa pa. Kaya natin si Yellow. Kasi dapat lalabas yan. Sandali lang ah. Ha! Ha!
Given the throne, I didn't know how to believe. I was the queen that I meant to be. I lived to fly, tried to play both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Call it problem child, 'cause I got to.
Okay, gumagana.
But now that's how I'm getting paid. Could have been on stage.
Okay, gumagana siya. Sandali lang. Shoutout ko muna si Yellow. Sana lumabas. Ba't ayaw niya lumabas? Why? Ayun! Lumabas din. So kapag ba nag-play ako, natatakpan! Natatakpan! So ilalagay ko tong game capture somewhere. Ayan. Para teka lang guys. Ayan. Meron na ba? Are we back? Are we back, Balakubaks? Alright, we're back. O, tuloy na natin to. Thank you, Yellow, for for testing it out for me. Thanks. He's still my father. Things were nice at first. Then my manager came. And, I don't know why he hates him so much. It's so show business. I'm mature enough to know what's good or bad for me. What happened after that? Mr. Lester told the security guards to kick him out. He's still allowed in the festival area. I saw him in the crowd. Did the concert go well at least? Oh yeah. Other than the wala si ano. Wala dito yung werewolf. Other than the arguments backstage, everything was great. I was the first one to play on the main stage. Usually no one pays much attention to whoever goes first. But there were thousands of people in the audience during my session. Okay, nag-perform na siya sa Coachella. Tapos, dito sa day na to, wala si Werewolf, wala si Gala. Kasi usually tatlo sila nag-uusap dito. So, you don't need to be at the event after this. Not really. I did my stage time, and then there was this press conference after my show. After show press conference? Yeah, the pre-show was done yesterday. Today was a small one. Okay, ano kaya? Ano kaya mangyayari this day? There were almost a dozen journalists who wanted to interview me. So we decided to just do a conference. Good for you. You're totally back in the game, huh? I guess I am. Thanks to Mr. Lester. I would say it's because of you. But your managers probably worked some of his influence too. Haha. So why are you here? Because of Dad, of course. I told him to come here this evening. We really need to set things straight. He needs to stop messing with my manager so much. And because this evening is the only time we can meet, I can't go to the party Mr. Lester is hosting. What party? Oops, sorry. Ayan na yung party. Yung after party. Is it okay for you to go to the party without a guardian? I'm 18, remember? I'm an adult. Yeah, but you can only enter some clubs if you're 21. Not... Ay, yung anak ko. Not this time. Because Mr. Lester's my manager and it's his party. I'm not sure about that. It's true. I know you can do that by using his name, but I don't think he should do that with you. Why? You're not, Rachel. Have you ever been to one of Lester's party? Well, no. You have? Not personally. I've heard stories. What stories? He knows how to party. That's good then. That's not necessarily a good thing. Knowing how to party might mean something else entirely. I don't know what you're talking about. You'll find out. Especially if you keep Lester on as your manager. Personally, I don't mind wild parties, but inviting an underage person to his party, that might be a step too far. Welcome, huh? Ayan na si Daddy! Ayan na ang daddy. Ayan na ang daddy. Meow. What the hell? Oh no! Dad! What? Rachel, is that Mr. Henry? Yes. Dad! What happened? Mamma Mia, can you get a cup of milk for him, please? Just milk? Just milk. Meow! No, I'll give you espresso. I'm so sorry about this, Mr. Henry. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I am really so sorry. Here. What are you doing? That's not milk. I specifically said just milk. I'm sorry. Let me. Enough. Help me call an ambulance or something. Can somebody help me call an ambulance, please? Ah, okay. Let me call them. Thank you. Oh no. Lalasunin mo yung po. Sorry. Where are they? On their way. Hang on, Pops. Oh no. Wala pa rin. This is taking forever. There they are. Finally, we're going. Oh my God. Binigyan natin ng hindi milk yung pusa. Oh boy. That was really something, huh? Yeah. 2 days in a row. An emergency at your place. Well, at least some people think of your place as their go-to when they need help. Ah, you're right. Wala, nakukonsensya ako. Pero, no. It's not every day you look at things from a bright side. Ha! Well, ha! Well, I'm one of your coffee shop disciples, right? So, I kinda understand them. I hope Henry's alright. Me too. Shucks! At least he's in good hands now. What's your plan for the rest of the night? Well, that was all pretty hectic. But I need to continue writing. Take your time and place then. Will do. Okay. Wow! Tapos na natin yung day 12. So, day 13 na. Oh my God! So, meron na nangyari. Nag-break si Lou at saka si Baileys. Hindi natin binigyan ng remedy yung werewolf habang fury niya. Tapos, hindi natin binigyan ng milk si Koya. Oh my God! Day 13 na, guys. Day 13. Sunday. So, parang mas malakas yung ulan ngayon, no? Kung napapansin niyo, mas malakas yung ulan. Wow. Police raid on private Coachella after party. Ayan na yung puwet. Wow. There's a puwet. Ayan na. Feeling ko si si Officer Georgie. Ayan na. Hey, Pop. Good evening, everyone. Everyone safe and sound tonight? So far, so good, officer. With the cop who's supposed to be watching this area hanging out in a coffee shop, I'm not so sure about that. Hey, I'm working right now. Inaresto kaya si Gala? I just love multitasking, you know. That requires skill. Taking a break and working at the same time, you mean? You know it. That's an oxymoron. Oh, shucks. That's why I said it requires skill. Anyway, Mamma Mia, I really need an espresso to keep me awake tonight. Not chance, I'll give you milk. Ay, tapos ano pala siya? Lactose intolerant pa siya. Hala. Halakata, Mori-chan. Ah, are you trying to kill me, Mamma Mia? Did you put milk in it? Oh my, I'm so sorry. Please put this somewhere else. I don't want to accidentally drink it. Done. Do you want to order anything else? I'm good. Okay. Binigyan natin siya ng gatas. So, anything special today? Surprisingly, no. Gotta make sure this place is safe, though. What are you grinning about? I mean it. You were here the last 2 days, right? Yes, I was. And some crazy things happened here. And 2 days in a row. Baliktad, haha. Yung pusa napunta kay Man. Oo nga eh. Titignan lang natin ko. Yung konsensya ko. To use in my story. Still fretting over your story, eh? Well, the deadline for my draft is getting nearer. Oh yeah. Oh my God. How's it going? Quantity-wise, it's shaping up pretty well. Quality-wise, honestly, I'm pretty confident. Best of luck then. Do you have any updates about the last 2 days of chaos? For the werewolf case, I spoke to Gala about it. What? Are you going to arrest him? Some officers at the precinct were talking about it, but in the end, we agreed. Hindi nila... okay. We asked the folks in the hospital and some other people in the area. Without him, we'd had a lot of more troubles. Ah, okay, hindi siya inaresto. Phew. I'm pretty mad at you if they did Akala ko i-aaresto siya kasi hindi naman siya kumalma. Hey, being mad at me wouldn't solve anything. I know. What about Rachel's dad? Any idea what happened? I'm not too sure myself. Most of it didn't happen around here. What? Yeah, it seemed like it happened out near Coachella. That was a long way away. Long way away. I mean, it's not actually that far, but he wouldn't be able to walk it, not in that state. So far, that's all I know. Oh my god. Ayun na si Rachel. Rachel! Rachel! Is Mr. Henry alright? Before that, could I have a cup of hot chocolate, dark? No, I'll give you milk. Pusa naman siya, di ba? So, okay lang na milk. Babad tripping ko pa rin siya hanggang lowest. Ano nangyari? That's going to be fine. I woke up this afternoon, but we arrived just a little... we arrived just a little too late! Ano? Ano to? What happened? He didn't get help fast enough, so some of the damage might be permanent. Oh my gosh! He might never be able to walk properly again. And it's all because of me, because I didn't listen to him, when all he wanted to do was protect me. Yan kasi! Don't blame yourself for this. Please don't take offense. But is it okay for you to leave your father alone in the hospital? His friends are there in the moment. And I can't face being stuck in a room with a bunch of people I don't even know right now. Besides, I really need to get away for a bit. So I told Dad I'm gonna visit Coffee Talk to get some fresh air. He's okay with that? He understands. He always does, I guess. Miss Rachel, what really happened last night? Hala, hindi na makalakad yung tatay niya. Jing jing jings. Perverted ways. Oh, he didn't like that, of course, so he morphed into his cat form and started a fight with the thugs. Why did he morph? So people wouldn't see what his human form looked like and link him directly to me. Some cops went to the crime scene, they found some eyewitnesses to testify, and they managed to find the thugs. Are they fan of yours? No. It's even worse. They work for Mr. Lester. What? Oh boy. The reason why it didn't take long for the cops to find them was because they were already under arrest. Because the party went too far last night. Whoa! How did it all connect up? They're Mr. Lester's bodyguards. They were chilling after the show, having a pre-party before the big one. And you know about guys and locker room talks, right? Yeah. Well, that's what they were doing. And I was the topic of the discussion. Ugh. So there's that. I'm sorry to hear that. And you were right about his party. I'm glad I wasn't there. Once again, I owe Dad for... Hey, it's okay. The most important thing right now is that you're safe. And your dad made it through. I should have listened to him. He might be out of touch, but he's still way more experienced than me, and he's my father. I wish Mom was here. She'd know what to do. She'd know what to say to Dad when he's recovered. You know what? I'm sure you'll know what to do. You're an adult, remember? But I don't know. All I know is I have to be there for him when. That's it. That's all you have to do. It might be weird to hear it from someone coming from Freya, but she is right. Be there when he needs you, Rachel. And whenever you needed breath of fresh air, you can come here and relax for a while. Guys, thank you. I had enough fresh air for one day. I'll go back to the hospital now. Thank you for the update, Miss Rachel. I wish your father a speedy recovery. Thank you, Mama Mia. Eh! So, yun ang bad ending ni Mr. Henry. Hindi na siya makakalakad. Oh my God! Binigyan ba naman ng kape? Ano ba yan? What a weekend. Pretty crazy, I know. Anyway, I've got to continue my patrol. It's been pretty weird weekend. Oh. But overall, things are still safe around here. But even with that, never let your guard down, okay? No problem, officer. Thank you for checking up on us, Officer Georgie. Okay then, see you. Wow. So, yun na. May update tayo na hindi naging okay si Mr. Henry kasi medyo late dumating yung ambulance. Tapos, yun. Hindi na siya makakalakad. Wow. Konsensya ako. Medyo nakakonsensya ako. Ayan. So, thank you. The pleasure was mine. Now, I'm sure you shouldn't spend more time on chit-chat. You got a book to finish. Hehe, no problem, boss. Okay, so we reached day 14. Ito na ata yung last day eh. Sunday. This is Monday. Para sabihin, 2 weeks later. Ala, pilantod na yung... Oo nga eh, kawawa naman. Kawawa naman, pero ako yung dahilan. Pero nakakonsensya talaga ako. Ayun na, 2 weeks later na. Okay guys, this is the last day of our Coffee Talk series. Ayan na si Bailey. Sabi, akala ko ba hindi na siya pupunta here? Hello! You're finally here? Hey y'all! Hey yo! Hi Freya! Someone's feeling happy today? Of course! They approved it. We're so happy for you. Okay, good ending yung nakuha kay Freya kahit lagi ko siyang binabad trip. Kahit mali-mali yung binigay kong order. Bakit ganun? Do you know how happy I am? Judging from your expression, I'd say somewhere between ecstatically and rapturously. Goddamn right. Oh my god. Oh my god. How did they react to the draft? To be honest, they're not that Ayan na! Ito meron. Bago to. They're not that excited about the story itself. A story with an unhappy ending, huh? That's what they said. But at this point, I really don't care. As long as they publish it, I'm content with that. Anyway, whatever happens with the book now, I can take things a little slower because they gave me a year to finish it. With a feedback session every month, sounds professional enough. Of course, they are the biggest publisher around. Enough about me. How's the coffee shop been doing? It's been great. We've had a lot of new customers lately. Some old timers, of course. I heard Hyde's back from his trip to Korea. Yeah, he bought us some gifts back. He didn't get any for me? Wow, close kayo? I'm not sure, but he did say he always give gifts directly. Gift giving the old-fashioned way, huh? How about you? Things are great. The last time I saw you was before your mini break. Yes, we decided to go to Coachella. Wow, that evening was a mess. That event was a mess. Hehe. Yeah, 3 hours at the event festival was enough for us. So where did you go after that? We ended up in Port Townsend. How was it? I enjoyed it. Never knew a historical trip could be fun. Oh yeah, I saw your new profile picture, Aqua. You both look cute. Oh man. Hehe, thanks. Was that taken during your vacation? No, it was at Max. They had a Japanese-style photo booth there, so I forced us to take a picture together. Hala, parang good ending tong dalawang to. Kahit mali-mali yung binigay kong order. Talaga ba? Yeah. Okay. But I was just visiting. Had some important work to do. I'm sorry. Hey, I told you it's alright. It's an important project after all. By the way, have you ever heard from Neil? So, hindi siya sumama kay Aqua sa event. Nag-visit lang siya. Ano rin kasi siya eh, exhibitor din siya. So, ngayon, nag-visit lang siya. No, not me. They did send 2 postcards to the coffee shop. Really? Yeah, one's from Coachella. That's not even that far away. Why send a postcard? Hard to tell with them. What about the second one? It's from New York. What? What are they doing in New York? Beats me. Working on their mission, maybe. Ha, yeah, probably. They stand more chance there. Ano kaya mangyari dito sa dalawang to? Anyways, guys, we're leaving for the night. Oh, come on. So soon? We were here for hours before you arrived, and we need to work tomorrow. Fair enough. Take care on your way then. Good luck with the novel. Thanks. See you, Mama Mia. See you around. Okay, so may konting changes sa story nila, pero pero hindi naman siya ganun kalaki. In my opinion, they look happier than when I first met them. They do. It's not easy to find someone you can be comfortable with in such a short amount of time. Yeah, anyway, sorry if it seems like I'm ignoring you, Baileys. No worries, I don't feel ignored at all. Are you by yourself tonight? No, I'm waiting for Lua. She has some work to do. Akala ko ba naghiwalay na sila? Yeah, she's been doing overtime for the past few days. How are you two doing? Things have... Ah? In fact, after 10 years together, we're moving in? Akala ko ba naghiwalay sila? Bakit ganon? Wait lang. Oh, ah? Wait, naguguluhan ako. Akala ko naghiwalay na sila. Teka lang. I'm so sorry. Didn't expect it to take so long. I thought it would be done by, honey, it's alright. Akala ko, akala ko talaga naghiwalay sila nung last. Teka lang. Feeling ko story error kasi naghiwalay sila nung isang araw. Tapos ngayon parang moving in together na sila. Eh, hindi naman sila nag-reconcile. Wait. Wait lang. Nasira ba yung game? Kasi, but not as great as you two lovebirds kasi naghiwalay sila. Hindi na nila itutuloy, nag-goodbye na yung girl. Kasi itong guy sabi niya hindi na siya babalik sa coffee shop kasi dyan daw sila nag-start ni Lua. Eh bakit nandito siya ngayon? Kaya nagulat ako. Bakit nandito ka? Ah? Hala! Ano to? Naguguluhan ako. Doon sa 2 weeks nagkabalikan sila, tinago nila sa'yo. Malamang! Ala! Kasi nagtataka ako bakit nandiyan si Baileys. Oo nga, kasi, teka, parang weird kasi 'di ba? Dapat doon na nag-lead 'yun eh. Kasi kung kasi kung naghiwalay sila nung last time, yung anak ko weirdo. We owe this coffee shop a lot anyway. Don't mention it. Oo nga. I have a question for you both. Go on. The last time you met, I believe you were going to introduce... Oh, hindi ito yung ending nun. You're going to introduce Baileys to your parents. Hindi ito yung nangyari. Wait, what? Hindi ito yung nangyari. Bakit sila... Ay, nako. Oh my God. Paano? Oh well, I'll be visiting this place more often. I'll probably meet her again one of these days. Oh, hoy, na-excite pa naman ako na naghiwalay sila tapos biglang ganito yung story na after 2 weeks. Hindi ito dapat, medyo bad trip ako. Sa lahat ba naman ng pambabad trip na ginawa ko sa kanila, naging sila pa rin. I mean, tsaka hindi ito yung nangyari. Di ba nagtanong siya na ipapakilala mo si Bailey sa parents ni Lua? Eh wala namang ganong conversation na nangyari prior to the second week kasi naghiwalay sila. So walang talks or walang conversation na ipapakilala ni Lua si Bailey sa parents niya that day. Hindi mo raw masisira ang relasyon nila, hindi natin matitibag, pero damn, ang pangit naman nito. How will you... Continuity error. Kaya nga anong nag-trigger? Anong nag-trigger para maging good ending siya? Kahit naman bago dumating tong araw na to, nag-reach na sila ng conclusion na they're gonna separate ways. So ano yun? Wow! Ito pa naman yung exciting day for me. Kasi akala ko iba na yung the main character is a time traveler. Subtly, I mentioned it just enough to raise suspicion. Where did you get the inspiration for the character? You know the answer. Why would I? Either you're smart enough to get what I mean, or you already know what my answer is. Don't think about it too much. It's only a story. Anyway, ah, what's that look for? You haven't told me any of our other friends here. How are they doing? You only skip coming for 10 days. What do you expect? Come on, they played an important part in my writing process, remember? Okay, titignan natin to. Titignan natin yung kwento ni Mama Mia. There are some updates about the regulars. Tell me. Where should we start? Ayan na. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Lua visit the fair often now that they live nearby. Meron pa rin siya. The last time they came, they were talking about catering and venue. So, ikakasal pa rin sila. Tuloy pa rin. Hyde returned from his trip to Korea brought gifts, some more special than others. Ala! He said he's considering moving back to Seattle if his agency allows it. La! May handcuffs. Aqua continues her work with the university. She's still working on some small indie games by herself. It's not much. Wala na si Orc. Neil. The only news about their superhero breeding mission are the 2 postcards they sent me. Ito. Rachel is back at the recording studio preparing for her first solo album. Oh! She found a new manager, someone who made the news as a legend coming... Ala! Nagbalik pa rin kahit hindi na siya makalakad. And finally, Freya, she finished her book and have some signing sessions. Sadly, the book didn't sell well. She still visits regularly in freelance, not giving up. Okay. Wow. Okay. Pwede pa rin naman nating masabing bad ending. Kasi first, let's break it down. Break it down, yo. So, yung main character natin na si Freya, hindi daw nag-click yung libro niya. So, failure siya. So, sino ba yung mga characters natin? Let's see. Ay, ito pa pala may postpartum. Post-credit. Oh, welcome. Hello, Mama Mia. Good evening, sir. Have we met before? I'm sure this is your first time here. Of course, I've been here. In fact, I've worked here before. What? Wait. No way. Is that really you? It's been a while. You've changed. A bit too much. I've learned a lot about how to live with your people since then. I assume it was a success then. Multiple successes. What's with the new look then? Just trying to blend in. It seems like an earthling immigration agency is after me. Now that you've mentioned it, somebody did visit this place looking for you. When was it? Not so long after your second visit here. Was he a bald guy in a suit? Yes. That FIRE agent. You've seen him? Yes. Thankfully, I've changed my appearance since then. By the way, you can drop the act in front of me. So, you finally noticed. To think that such power can be born from our kind. You're good with your act, though. It took a few tries, but there are some timelines where I forget to pretend that I don't have some knowledge of certain stuff. Ha, interesting. Now I'm curious to know about those mistakes. Well, it happens a few times. First, when Freya told me about her meeting in the elevator. Then, the first time Rachel visited this place. And the last one involved you and your second visit. Huh? Oh, there was another one. Right after Freya got her draft approved. Can you show it to me? Assuming you know how I communicate with my kind. Never tried it, but let's see. You've beaten the main story of the game, but you haven't seen everything yet. Eh. Okay. Oh my gosh. So, so, so yan na po ang the end of the third timeline of Coffee Talk. And I'm quite surprised to end it just over an hour? Okay, over an hour of streaming just to finish this game was quite okay. Medyo not gonna lie ha. Not gonna lie, I'm not really happy with it. Kasi I did try my best to serve them wrong things. To para lang may matrigger lang. What if panoorin na lang natin? Okay lang kaya? Oh, ba't nandyan ako? Okay lang kaya na manood na lang tayo ng bad ending? Pwede bang ganon? Kesa laruin ko na naman ulit? Pwede bang ganon? Pwede ba yun? Baba ko lang yung sarili ko. Ayan. Pwede ba yun? Ah. Ayan. So, ang gagawin na lang natin is hanap na lang tayo ng video sa YouTube. Ano ba yung mga bad endings? Gusto mo talaga sirain yung relasyon? Oo, talaga. Talagang kailangan masira ang relasyon. Pero, di ba kasi nakakaasar din na ano. Pero wala, masira si game, hindi daw siya papatalo. Totoo. Medyo disappointed ako ng konti. Uy, baka meron kayong gustong ibigay pala na ano, kung makikita niyo yung ano natin, pinned message. Any content ideas for Tuesday? Kasi birthday natin sa Tuesday. I'm leveling up on Tuesday. So, naisip ko na ano ba ang magandang content. It's just one day kasi it's just my birthday. It's gonna be for birthday celebration on Tuesday. Kasi magsa-start dapat ako ng panibagong game on Tuesday, Thursday. Yun yung schedule na natin for Mamma Mia Place. So, ano ba tawag nito? Kailangan natin ng, kasi syempre parang, ang daming thoughts, teka lang. Ang schedule na ni Mamma Mia Place is gonna be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So, I'm gonna be out on Monday and I'm gonna be out on Friday. Tapos, meron tayong Saturday stream, which is either Balitang Ina News or yung ginagawa nating bagong stream. Ibabalik natin yung Am I the Asshole stream. Pero in a different setting. It's gonna be a banyo stream. Teka lang. Bad ending. Coffee Talk. Ayan. Uy, advance happy birthday. Yay! Thank you so much! Wag na yung binboozled. Kami lang natutuwa doon at your expense. Utang na loob. Tama na po. Tama na po. Please. Hindi, ayoko na ng binboozled. But, yeah. Ano naman, parang gusto ko lang mag-chill. Gusto ko lang happy-happy lang tayo, ganon. Gusto ko happy lang tayo sa stream. Pwede bang ganon? Parang parang ang iniisip ko, sa Tuesday ko na, wag niyo naman ako i-punish, guys. Wag niyo naman akong, di ba? Para okay stream. Naku, sana okay yung boses ko. Teka lang. Alam niyo ba, parang feeling ko, Ay, hindi. O, tama. Hindi ko alam kung makakapag-stream ako ng Monday kasi walang pasok si Mori. So, baka hindi rin naman kami makakalabas kasi long weekend yun. So, maraming tao sa labas. Ayan. Meron tayong papanoorin, guys. Panoorin lang natin to. So, this is going to be the, ang sabi niya dito, Coffee Talk, all endings, good and bad ending. Kaya mo magluto stream? Naku, ilalapit ko yung ano. Ano kaya pwedeng lutuin? Wala akong, ano kaya pwedeng ano? Lutong inang yan. Pwede akong pwede siguro akong mag-build. Meron din kasi akong unfinished Lego build. Yung Naruto, mga Naruto builds ko. Hindi ko pa sila blah, blah. Hindi ko pa sila tapos gawin. So, pwede kaya yon sa Tuesday? Parang nagchichikahan lang tayo, tas nagbi-build lang ako, ganon. Pwede kaya yon? Kasi ang iniisip ko, Lego build ng Naruto, isang normal Naruto at isang siege mode. Isasend ko na lang sa Discord or sa social media platforms. Kung ano yun, kung ano itsura nila. So, kung matutuloy tayo magganon sa stream for Tuesday, basta kakaiba lang. Balitang Ina News plus Lego build. Yellow sa Sabado yan. Nag-gather na nga ako ng mga ibabalita ko. Mag-a-announce ako mamayang hapon or baka bukas. Gagawin ko muna yung assets for that one. Para matuloy natin yung Balitang Ina News sa Sabado. Pero, Balitang Ina News pero sa gabi. Sa gabi tayo magsistream ng Balitang Ina News kasi Saturday is baka Mori Day, ganun. Long weekend, guys. Traffic na naman ng Baguio. Wala ba kayo ibang pwedeng puntahan? Tuwing long weekend. Ito, galing lang to sa isang local, Hindi ko naman pinagdadamot ang Baguio. Pero, pwede ba? Kapag sinabi namang holiday, hindi ibig sabihin Baguio. Alright? Holiday din namin. Gusto din namin pumunta sa park. Pero wala kaming maparkingan, mga utang mo naman eh. Again, hindi ko po pinagdadamot ang Baguio. You're free to come here kapag gusto niyo pumunta. Pero, di ba, every holiday na lang, every Pasko, every New Year, hindi na rin namin ma-enjoy yung area namin, hindi na rin namin ma-enjoy yung Baguio dahil nga, mas minamabuti na lang namin mga locals na hindi na lang lumabas para ma-enjoy naman ng mga bisita. Pero syempre, di ba, deep inside, sa part naman namin, gusto naman namin ma-enjoy yung, parang, hindi lang naman kayo yung nagkakaroon ng holiday. Kami din. O, di ba, nag-rant lang ng konti. O, guys, eto, panoorin muna natin tong Coffee Talk ending sa YouTube. So, yan, check natin. Pero pag-iisipan ko yung Lego build para naman matapos ko na siya. Diba? Ayan. Wala ba tong sounds? Good ending daw, good ending. Okay. Same. Ito yung nakita natin kanina. Hey, Sarcy! Welcome to the stream! Tapos na natin yung game. Ito yung mga good ending. So, ayan, may kasama siya. Yung kanina kasi, wala siyang kasama, di ba? Hindi niya kasama si Orc. So, nakuha naman na natin tong good ending na to eh. It's okay! At least I'm still live. Ayan. So, yan yung nakuha natin kanina kay Neil. Wow! Wow! Mori. Ano ka rin ba? Paano ko nakikipag-argue? So, ito yung mga good ending. So far, ito yung mga nakuha natin. Ayun. It was a massive success. Ito na yung mga bad ending. Ito yung gusto kong ma-achieve. na hindi ko naman 100% na-achieve kanina. Dapat pala pinanood ko na lang. Kasi inulit ko pa yung hanggang third timeline. Pero well, at least we tried. At least I tried. Pampalubag loob. At least I tried. First-hand experience kung, yeah, whatever. Bayless left for Austin for good with no intentions of ever returning to Seattle? Wow! So talaga naghiwalay sila. Kasi, meron kami nakita kanina, Sarsi, na parang, ano ba tawag doon, Yellow? Parang meron siyang flaw. May flaw yung game. Kasi, explain ko nag-break na sila. Sa timeline na to, nag-break sila. Tapos, akala ko bagong kwento na siya. Bagong kwento na kasi naghiwalay na sila eh. Ayun, continuity error. Naghiwalay sila. Tapos after 2 weeks, parang na-reach na yung last day na ng coffee talk. Nagkabalikan sila. Tapos parang meron silang conversation dun sa last day na never naman na-reach dun prior. The days prior that final day. Never nangyari na magpapakilala dun sa tatay, magkakaroon ng family meeting. Never na pag-usapan yon throughout the timeline. Dun lang sa end day. So parang ako medyo na, totoo? Lagay ko muna dito yung sarili ko para makita niyo naman. Ayan, parang, never nangyari yon. As in, never nangyari yon. Stress ako. So dapat pala ito yung ito dapat yung ending nila. Panoorin na, tuloy natin. Lua visited the cafe from time to time, drowning herself in books and the swipe right culture of this generation. Oh my God, dapat ito yung ending nilang dalawa for us eh. Ito dapat yun eh. Pero hindi eh. Naging good ending sila parehas. Kahit ilang beses ko silang binigyan ng wrong drinks. Kahit ilang beses ko silang, alam mo yon, yung lahat minamali ko, ganun. Kasi nag-break na sila eh. So yun na, papunta na dapat dito yun. Shockers! Hyde returned from his trip to Korea and brought gifts. Oh, he's only staying for a while before returning to LA. Hindi siya nagtagal. Hindi siya bumalik, hindi siya nagtagal na gusto niya magstay. Hindi siya nagstay. So bumalik siya sa LA, okay? That's for their friendship. Aqua continues her work with the university. Oh, ito nakuha natin to kanina. She's still enjoying on some small indie games by herself. It's not much, but it brings her joy. Wala yung orc, hindi niya kasama. So, na-achieve natin yung kanina. Neil. Only news about them are the 2 postcards they sent me. So, parang ito rin, bad ending din. Yung kanina, kay Neil. Ito si Rachel. Rachel is back at the recording studio, preparing for her first solo album. Oh! She lost her manager, but...
I love you.
Oh! Thank you, Mari!
You're welcome. Welcome, friends.
Ay! Ba yun? Galing naman nito. Pakis nga. Love you.
I love you too.
O, ba't namamalo ka? Ano ba yun? Sweet naman. Thank you, Mari.
You're welcome.
She lost her manager but is now working with another manager and label. Hindi niya nakasama si Daddy. Kasi yung kwento kanina, yung kay Daddy, yung tatay niya, hindi siya nadala sa hospital ng maaga kaya never na siya makakalakad. So may permanent damage yung pambubugbog sa kanya sa kutsela. Tapos yung ending nito, manager pa rin niya yung tatay niya. May error talaga yung game. Nasa-stress ako. And finally, Freya, she finished the book, gets some published, and have some signing sessions. Sadly, the book didn't sell well. Ito yung kanina. Ito yung nakuha ni Freya. So, bad ending si Freya for us. Wah. Ay, wag to. Hindi ko pa nalalaro yan. Wah, no. Ay, aray ko naman. Sakit naman sa tenga. Okay. So, yun na nga. Yun na nga. Meron tayong nakuhang bad ending for some of our characters, pero not all. So, i-breakdown lang natin. So, si Freya, pakita naman natin yung picture ni Freya para naman kilala nyo yung pinagsasabi ko. Freya. Ay, coffee talk. Image. Okay. Coffee Talk na ba? Ay, Coffee Talk 2 na ba? Oo, magsa-start tayo ng Coffee Talk 2. Pero, surprise! Meron akong lalaruin next week. Sana yung gagawin ko. May lalaruin ako next week. Babalikan ko lang yung isang game na pinagsimulan ni Mamma Mia Plays. So, parang unti-unti akong bumabalik sa mga... Kasi, yung genre naman kasi ni Mamma Mia Plays is building games, tsaka visual novel. So, bago natin simulan yung Coffee Talk 2, may lalaruin muna akong isa. Meron lang akong isi-stream na isa na parang babalikan ko lang na game. Na medyo, let's say, nakilala naman si Mamma Mia playing that game. So, gusto ko lang balikan bago tayo mag-start ng panibagong visual novel. So, pwede ko na sigurong i-announce na yung dalawang genre ni Mamma Mia Plays talaga is visual novel and building games. So nag-visual novel tayo ngayon. Babalik tayo ngayon sa isang building game na nilalaro ko naman talaga noon. And yun naman talaga yung nilalaro ko starting nung nag-Twitch ako. So, may idea na siguro kayo, pero isa-set up ko pa lahat. And yeah, I'm really excited to go back with my creative stuff, I think. Hindi rin ako sure. Pero yeah, babalik tayo. Parang mag-alternate siya. Visual novel, building, visual novel, building. Ayan. So, I hope you guys stick with me kahit ang gulo-gulo ko. Maraming salamat po. Okay, so start na natin to. Si Freya, for the first timeline, so sa first and second timeline, and third timeline, yan. Yung first timeline, good ending siya. Nakuha natin yung good ending. Second timeline, nakuha pa rin natin yung good ending ni Freya. Sa third timeline lang ang hindi. Kasi hindi daw nag-sell well yung libro niya. So, sino pa yung susunod? Si Baileys. Yan, yung mga jowa-ers. Si Baileys at si Lua. Si Baileys and Lua, sa first timeline, nakuha natin. Nakuha natin yung good ending nilang dalawa. Kasi nagkatuluyan sila. Second timeline, ganun din. Nagkatuluyan sila, talking about getting married. Sa third timeline, question mark. Sabi doon sa ending, good ending nakuha natin sa kanila. Pero the day prior na maging okay sila, nag-break sila. So, questionable. So, dito natin nakuha yung error. Dito tayo nakakita ng error sa game. Ayan. Sino pa ba yung mga characters natin? Teka lang. So, sa mga hindi nakakilala kung sino si Baileys, eto si Baileys. Eto si Baileys at eto si Lua. So, sila yung magjowa. Okay? So, next yung characters naman natin, si Hyde and si Gala. Ayan. So, si Hyde and Gala, etong dalawa, yung vampire at yung werewolf. So, si Gala at si Hyde. Si Gala at Hyde, magandang ending yung nakuha natin sa kanila for both timelines 1 and 2. Yung third timeline lang, sabi, gusto pa rin daw, parang good ending silang dalawa eh. Sa totoo lang. Kasi nagstay pa rin si Hyde. Para kay Gala. Tapos hindi na aresto si Gala para dun sa werewolf fury niya. So, good ending pa rin siya for Gala. which sucks kasi kasi gusto ko talaga siyang makulong. Si Aqua naman at saka si Myrtle. So sa mga hindi nakakakilala kay Aqua at Myrtle, Aqua and Myrtle, ayan. So sila yung ayun taray. Ayan. Sila to, si Myrtle, ito yung orc, at ito si Aqua. Si Aqua at si Myrtle nakuha natin yung good ending for both timelines, 1 and 2. Sa third lang natin sila hindi naging nakakuha tayo ng bad ending for them. So yun naman yung yun naman yung gusto natin mangyari for them. So na-achieve natin yung bad ending sa kanila sa third timeline. Sino pa ba yung sumunod? Sino pa ba yung si Rachel tsaka si Mr. Henry and Henry. So, ito yung pop star. Ito yung pop star tsaka yung tatay niya. So, si Rachel at Henry. Sinusulat ko guys, sorry ah. So, first and second timeline, nakuha natin yung good ending nila. Sa huli, good ending pa rin. Kahit permanently, hindi na daw makakalakad si daddy. So, parang kala ko, ma-achieve natin yung bad ending ni Henry at ni Rachel. Pero apparently, good ending pa rin yung nakuha natin. Which sucks, by the way. Tapos, yeah. Sila lang ata, si Neil. Si Neil naman po ay yung astronaut friend natin. Ito, siya si Neil. So, for Neil, nakuha natin yung good ending at true ending sa kanya, timeline 1 and 2. Pero pangit yung timeline niya nung third na. Okay. So that concludes our Coffee Talk series. So we managed to have 3 timelines for this game. So ngayon, ang gagawin naman na natin is ile-let go na natin yung Coffee Talk. Bago natin simulan yung Coffee Talk 2. And nga pala guys, naghahanap din ako ng game na pwede namin laruin ni Mori na visual novel din. Na pwede sa kids, of course. Kaya, yon. And, wala. Yun ang talaga yung gusto ko sabihin. So, maraming salamat po. Mukhang eto na ata yung mag-e-end na ata yung stream natin today kasi wala na tayong magagawa. Wala nang laro. Tapos na yung game. So, meron ba tayong mga friendship na nagsistream ngayon? Nagsistream ba si Makers? Wala.
It's still fun to have like a mix
Ay, putain na mo.
even if like we're not playing killer so serious.
Gulat ako. Ano ba yun? So anyways, guys. Ako po muna ay mag-end stream na. Gusto ko po sana magpasalamat sa maraming tao na sumama sa atin sa stream and achieve na natin yung ating bad ending for some people. But yeah, maraming salamat guys for hanging out with Mama Mia. Kahit super saglit lang yung stream natin, 1 hour and 30 minutes. I'll use the remaining time for me to create overlays and mag-prepare para sa Tuesday and Saturday streams natin. Again, guys, I will be announcing my announcements will be made throughout my social media platforms. You can follow me on Blue Sky, on Twitter or X, on Facebook. Although hindi na ako masyadong active sa Facebook. Sa ako active Sa Blue Sky, sa TikTok, sa Twitter and Twitch of course. Tapos meron din po akong YouTube channel na ina-upload lahat ng mga streams natin. Full episode streams. Ayan. Unfiltered, unedited. So, ina-upload ko po doon. Ayan. So, yan. Maraming salamat guys. And I will see you guys again on Saturday for Balitang Ina News at 9 p.m. po. Abangan nyo po. And yeah, thank you everybody. Hope to see you guys again on Saturday. Bye!